The Honeywell 50-pint Energy Star Dehumidifier with built-in drain pump removes excess moisture to help protect your home from mold and mildew. This dehumidifier is designed for small to medium-sized rooms or basements and is Energy Star qualified, so it removes moisture with less energy consumption when compared to conventional dehumidifiers. A smart digital humidistat control and display allows you to change the fan speed and adjust the 24-hour energy-saving timer. It also features an auto drain pump that drains condensation vertically or horizontally up to 15 feet, smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility, and a continuous drain option for long unattended operation. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.